Hey, what's up? Welcome.
Y'all ain't fucking with me.
Y'all ain't fucking with the whole feeling. Be honest. What's poppin', Ratchet?
What's going on?
Happy Hump Day, everybody. Welcome.
Yes.
Welcome to another episode of Ratchet Chats. We are your lovely hosts. I am Elle.
I'm Erica.
I'm Kaylu. And we are your lovely hosts again. This is Dallas' hottest motherfucking podcast. For those who do not know. Kaylu, help them out. Help these motherfuckers out.
I know I say this every week.
Yeah.
Every fucking
And I'm honestly tired of hearing.
I mean, we're 30 episodes in, but it's cool. I don't mind repeating myself. Okay, so for people who don't know, our new followers, please make sure to follow us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_chat with a Z .pot POTCAST. Yeah, and if you don't know why we call this the podcast, because we smoke on this show. Also, you can find us on YouTube, which is Ratchet Chat Podcast. I'm sorry. So make sure, and then also you can always click the link. So if you forgot what I said, the link is in the bio, so there's no excuses. Okay.
Yeah, tune the fuck in, because we live every goddamn Wednesday at 9:30 with some juicy ass 35 at the latest. Actually, I'm not even gonna talk about it because we've been doing well with the time like we have. We used to do Ratchet time, which would be
25 to 10. But y'all are getting it together. Also, as you see, you know, we got our new shirts. So if y'all do want a shirt,
We do have multiple shirts. We are not wearing the same shirt.
again. For those who don't know, please show these. Where can they find us?
Ratchet Chats Podcast.
_chat
Instagram,
podcast.
Ratchet_Chats Podcast. YouTube,
It's
Ratchet
all
Chats
right here.
Podcast.
And then you see us out, baby, make sure you hit that follow button, okay?
Okay, and then not only that, we have some shirts coming that will have some Ratchet slogans on the back. So be looking out for the Ratchet merchandise.
DM if interested in the shirt, so you know.
I want a t-shirt.
Okay, so Erica, what are we talking about tonight? What is
Just sticky situations, period. We're just gonna get into sticky situations. Speaking of sticky situations, we're definitely gonna speak about the pastor tonight.
Oh my God.
Everybody say amen.
Amen.
Amen. All right, but before we kick that shit off, bitches, whores, niggas, dogs, cats, birds, elephants, get your motherfucking hands, paws, whatever them motherfucking elephants call that shit.
What?
Put that shit together. I think. 1, 2, 3. If
You ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your clique will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap that ass. Clap that ass. Clap that ass. Clap that ass.
As I said before, the cheer. That is the ratchet cheer. But y'all, I just have to jump right into it.
And this our Ratchet social. It's like a
Pastor
real
eat
Ratchet.
pussy. Pastor eat pussy. First of all, I don't know if Pastor is married. If Pastor is not married, he didn't do nothing wrong. If Pastor is married, okay, Pastor, come on now.
And for the people who don't know, tell me what you're talking about, Ego.
Y'all know the pastor who was eating that pussy. The pastor who was eating that pussy.
There's been a video circulating around, and if you check your inbox, it's probably in there. Of this
Exactly.
Definitely in
pastor,
mine.
the pastor that y'all see that be on Instagram doing all that cussing and cutting up. Yeah, he eating the fuck out pussy. I know y'all
And
seen that
he
video.
was low-key hate, but I mean, if
What
Pastor
happened?
didn't do it, Pastor did not do
What
it.
do you think was?
He did it good. He did it great. I love
I
it.
think it was okay. He was a little lazy with it.
He was
like this.
He was laying down. I get
Get
up.
away to the
Get off her ass. She laying
Lift
on
your
your
head
ass.
up.
Get off her pussy. Get
You
up.
have to fall asleep in the pussy.
Okay, so he was doing the most. He was laying down. But he was still using the tongue and for a headology perfectionist. He was doing a great job. Yes, he was being a little lazy.
more
He did eventually lift up his head and go down to her ass. And spit is not always required, especially if you got a bitch who gets extremely wet.
Oh.
She was an elder woman. Perhaps, I don't know. The thighs was a little age. I would give him about a solid 8 on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay. I would give him a 6.
I would probably give him about a 6 or 7.
Yeah. Because it wasn't bad. I felt like he was probably just warming up because we only saw a glimpse.
He ate the ass.
He was about to get to the ass. He about to do all that. And I didn't watch the whole thing.
So when you put him on the scale, would you let him eat your pussy?
No.
Not Pastor. I'm sorry.
No. Would y'all let Pastor eat y'all pussy?
No. If Pastor was fine, yes. I'm sorry.
Why people mad at Pastor though?
Because he's a
Pastors get head.
Bro, people forget.
They're human.
I don't think that back then it's that he was giving head. It was just the fact that he got caught doing this shit on camera.
And he's a
That's
pastor.
not something that pastors should be getting caught doing, period.
I mean, but he wasn't probably thinking he was gonna get caught. But
Now, and speaking of that bitch, you a fuck asshole for that. You around for that bitch. You knew you wanted to fuck that man. You didn't record him fucking the shit out you. You gonna try to expose that nigga. Expose you taking that dick from that old
taking
nigga.
that dick, who?
These hoes need to stop. And speaking of exposed, you barbershop niggas.
Bro, and I was mad at the barbershop video. And if y'all haven't watched the barbershop video, oh my god, if this sounds foreign to you, we sorry, y'all.
Oh my
It's the
God.
shit that popped off today, and we just gotta talk about it. But basically, I'm gonna break it down. The barbershop, it was a nigga. It looked like he probably had his own little, maybe set up in his house.
On his own room,
Some
like
personal
shop.
shop he rented out. Anyway, he had niggas coming in there. He was cutting their hair ass
Butt
naked.
naked.
Dick swinging. Literally, dick was
Dick was
swinging.
swinging.
was
I
this
said literally.
a gay barbershop?
Have you seen the video?
I haven't seen
Okay,
it.
I'm not gonna show y'all because I don't want our video to get erased for
Yeah.
showing pornography, but I am gonna show her and I'm gonna continue to speak on it.
And then there was a clip after you see him cutting where I'm assuming the customer was getting head right after getting the cut.
Oh, customers were allowed to click their first video. Back to y'all.
So customers are allowed to get head after they're cut at this barbershop. So at this point, and look how big.
His dick was
And then look, he doing the clippers like this, and dick swinging.
What I'm mad about is the nigga in this video are fine.
They fine. Every nigga in that video was
So
fine.
again, if any of you niggas I fuck with say you at the barbershop,
That's the question.
Okay, I got a question. Speaking on that.
niggas better start edging out.
Is a nigga gay if he lets you? Okay, I'm gonna say this. Imagine a nigga laying down on his stomach, maybe twiddling his phone or something, just on his stomach.
Yeah.
You jump on the back of him and pretend like you fucking him in the ass. He doesn't say anything. But then when you ask him, "Are you gay?" And he says, "Why you say that? Like what the fuck?" And I say, or not I, but she says, she says, because you just sat there and allowed me to do that. What would you think about him?
I would automatically think he's gay.
I would
Most
automatically
niggas-
think he's gay, but I don't see no run around with her at that moment. I
I
would never be
think
like
it's
situation. I would have been like,
Y'all don't ever do
Yeah.
gay shit to y'all niggas?
I don't.
The test them.
I don't.
I
I
have
do.
before, maybe accidentally touch. They don't do that gay shit. They ain't with that gay shit.
Or I done tried to grab my nigga ass.
Right, like, I don't know
but that's
about that.
standard. I like grabbing my nigga ass, but most niggas who not with the fuck shit, they gonna be like, bro, quit playing. Get off that bullshit. Like,
That's what,
yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
But if he don't do that, I'm not gonna be like,
he didn't do that. He didn't do that.
she's still watching the barbershop video. Yes, these niggas is getting
Yeah,
sucked
I
up by
just-
getting
This
cut.
can't be real.
They giving $50 sucks and cuts.
I feel
You
like
paying that extra
there's
20.
so many low-key niggas out here. And then what do y'all feel about niggas who've been asking for the video?
Oh, you got it.
I've seen a couple niggas ask for the video who I know. I mean, I don't know them personally, but I know of them to be a straight dude. But they've been asking for the barbershop video.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And most niggas, I'm about to watch that gay shit. That's what most niggas
Why are you
usually
even
say.
interested?
Why do you want to see it anyways? I would probably be like, I would probably question you.
I
can't get up.
question you.
I would question you.
If you niggas,
Don't show it on there.
So if you was talking to a guy and the guy asked, hey, baby, send me that video. This you talking about? What you gonna say?
I'll send it, but then it's gonna go blocked.
so how many of my followers are watching and don't count her ass in the video and y'all were Ratchet pedophiles?
Would y'all be able to fuck with a bisexual, fine ass nigga?
No.
Who like niggas and bitches?
But he's like a real, like he a cool ass nigga. He didn't tell you he was bisexual until later on, maybe a week in, 2 weeks in. Second date, he told you he was bisexual.
I couldn't do it.
I don't think I
couldn't do it either. I'm sorry.
Because I would always feel like, you basically admitted that there's an attraction to men.
Right.
And not that I feel like I need to be in competition, but it's just always going to be in the back of my mind that's what I'm saying. When we are out and about, instead of me being worried about just another bitch, now I got to be worried about bitches and niggas.
Everybody, actually, everybody.
Damn, bro. I can't win.
Get a break.
So yeah, I couldn't fuck with it.
I damn sure can't do this shit. No. And like Elsa, I gotta worry about you looking at niggas' dicks, you looking at bitches' ass. Like, it's just too much.
And then what? I don't know. It's just too much.
But since we're talking about this, and I'm gonna say this, and then we're gonna get into our real topics. Let's just say you've been fucking with your nigga for a long time. You go through his phone. You see a dick pic.
It better be his dick.
It's not his dick.
It's not his dick. It's one dick pic in his phone. But you go through it and you don't see no messages between him and no niggas. You don't see nothing in there. You just see one dick pic in his phone. How do you react to that situation? You went through his phone, went through his Instagram trying to see, oh my God, like where this come from? Is he talking to niggas? What's up? Woo, woo, woo. You don't find nothing there. But you do find a dick pic in his phone. What do?
I'm gonna probably react the same way I would react if I found a pussy pic. Honestly, I'd probably be a little bit more emotional about the situation because it is a dick. Not that I prefer. I guess I would prefer to find a pussy pic over a dick pic. So I don't know what the fuck I do. I would be very hurt. I would be scared. I would just be having like 1,000 emotions because that's just like from Black Ink. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Like, that video was kind of suspicious. You know what I'm saying? And now look at them. They are not together no more. I don't know what I would do, honestly. It depends on how much I love. I don't know. I would think my nigga is gay. Period. I would think my nigga is gay.
If you went to his phone and you see the dick pic, you didn't see nothing else, but you saw that pic.
Because I'm gonna assume. First of all,
now it's like, how did it get in there? I haven't found no messages or nothing. That would really be curious.
You have, if you have an iPhone, everybody knows you have to save it.
Right.
Even if somebody messages you a picture, you have to click save. You have to tap that bitch and save it to your
gallery. And it's
gallery.
still in your phone?
So that means you looked at that dick pic and you hit the save button.
Yeah.
Because it's in your gallery.
You're right.
So you purposely put
you
that in your
purposely
memory.
saved it.
Yeah.
So to me, that means you're out of there.
Yeah, me, I'm
It
with
wasn't an
Erica.
accident.
I'm definitely gonna suspect some things, some gay shit. I'm probably gonna think gay.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna ask questions.
I'm gonna ask questions, but I'm gonna be like, it just don't make sense.
So why you end the relationship then and there?
I might, because I may not even feel like I can trust him.
Do you keep your listen to him? What we say, don't tell him about it.
I'm not gonna exploit him.
Yeah, I wouldn't expose him.
But
I think because you have been dealing with him for a long time, you have built up respect for him.
Why would you?
I would never know nobody to actually exploit him like
you
that.
just childish, bro.
You gotta be a hateful bitch.
I probably tell my homegirl and my best friend, like, girl, let me tell you what happened.
Ooh, you tell your friend? Yeah,
I'll tell my best friend. So I know y'all ain't gonna go tell everybody. Right.
Ooh, my sister was talking to a nigga.
Really? I just told you don't say that shit.
Girl, my coworker told me her sister was talking to.
My
cousin just told me her
then when I'm here, I come at the job.
Yeah.
Oh, that's your sister? Ooh.
How your relationship?
Realize that would be a stick situation. And that brings us to our topics of the night. Sticky situations. We have a couple of different topics we're going to talk about tonight. They all revolve around sticky situations. We all going to touch up on those topics. Feel free to chime in, tune in, comment. And if we feel like it, we might read your comment. And if we don't, we don't fuck with y'all, but we fuck with y'all.
We're not reading that.
But we're going to talk about some good shit tonight. Sticky situations. If you in a sticky situation, this is the episode that you need to tune into.
Right. Or if you have a question, go ahead and put it in the comments. You know, maybe we can talk about it while we're talking right now. The show is live off the dome. So y'all ready for the first question?
I haven't heard you talk to me.
Hey.
Okay. The first sticky situation is fucking with your boss a sticky situation.
Ooh, definitely.
It's fucking with your boss a sticky situation.
It definitely can get sticky.
Wow.
I would say yes because it's your boss for one. And if it's your boss, he obviously has more pull. You know, you probably can get away with more shit at work than you normally wouldn't be able to get away with.
Right.
That relationship could potentially end, which means all those things that came along with the benefits of being his boo are probably gonna go. See, dead entry, you eat.
You're not getting them anymore.
Void it out. And that would be my only concern. Just the I don't want no, honestly, he probably would show unintentionally favoritism to me if he's dating me.
Of course.
But when that breakup, then it would just get messy. Like, it would get messy. But it would be fun and spontaneous to be fucking your boss.
I think it would be very spontaneous because I would be on some shit like want to always fuck around at work. Like, just because I'm petty like that.
Can I have a meeting?
And I want to be in meetings and I want us to be giving each other the side eyes. I want to be using code words. I just want to be petty with it. I think I would actually enjoy it. But is it a sticky situation? Yes. Especially if he has a wife. Ooh. Especially if he's maybe fucked around with somebody else at work. You're not the only one.
Ooh.
He's had another bitch up here before.
Ooh. Or maybe he still does.
And the thing
Oh! Maybe he still does. And you're not the only one at
And
that
she
point.
sits right next to you.
now, if he does have another bitch at the same time, that's the issue. But if he had a bitch before me, obviously he's probably an attractive guy. I'm dating him. So I wouldn't trip about any other bitches. But I don't know. Speaking of when he has a wife, what do y'all feel about fucking with niggas who, or bitches who fuck with niggas who are married?
So it's a sticky situation. It's something
What
where
if he's in a situation like he niggas say all the time, but like he really, really don't want to fuck with the bitch. Like, it's really like maybe he's trying to leave. Maybe he's trying to
leave his wife.
Maybe he shows you proof, text messages of her not signing the divorce.
Okay.
Shit like that, but they still gotta live together type of shit. He not sleeping in the same room.
Okay.
But he's married.
Okay. I mean, I don't know. Would it make it better if he is in the process of trying to leave his bitch, or does he have to be completely removed from that situation? Would you chance it better if he, if he was actually in the process of trying to get rid of his bitch?
I don't know. For me, I would probably remove myself from the situation, period. Because I don't have to deal with it.
You're right, though.
It's extra shit, and it's too much.
It's not necessary.
I understand you going through, so when you get done, holler at me. If I'm still available, then we can fuck around. If not, then it just wasn't our time. But I'm not about to be dealing with all the extra shit. I gotta be here for the kids, and we try to split the house. I sleep in one. Okay, that's cool. We can just be cool. We gotta be done actually. I'm not about to deal with all the extra shit. Too many niggas out here to be dealing with that one
You do
nigga.
not have to stay with somebody because you got kids with them.
You
Right?
don't.
Let me ask you this: if you and your nigga is in the process of separating, and he gets a bitch, are you gonna trip?
No, you just can't bring.
I'm not
definitely
You're not gonna trip.
Especially if we already going through that shit.
Y'all are legally separated, but y'all haven't finalized y'all divorce.
That means I'm done.
Legally separated means you can technically.
Right, like I'm done. You do your thing. I don't even give a fuck because I'm done.
But yeah, I'm not fucking with no bitch husband. I might fuck a bitch nigga.
Yeah.
And that's just a big ass mic. That's on some like a nigga I probably already know you.
Right.
I established little shit with you. Ain't no new shit happening, but I ain't fucking no bitch husband. I'm sorry. A bitch should die behind that. A bitch should die both ways, but
No, for real.
stop playing with these men, these women's men. You know how you would act if it was your nigga. So consider that bitch still as hoe when you riding that dick.
Let me ask you a question. If you were fucking your boss, would you expect for him to treat you different? Or you gonna keep it player?
I want him to keep it player. Don't treat me
I don't
nice.
want him to treat me different. I have talked to one of my
business.
bosses before, though.
Did you expect him
Yes,
to
she
treat you
has.
different?
Anyway, previously, not currently, okay? So we put that out there.
Yeah, we're talking past
Talking past tense, okay? Erica?
Sorry.
Anyway.
I fucked that work before. I just throw something out there. Shit.
You say you
Nah.
fucked what?
I fucked at my job. Ooh, I should not have said that. I
In
did
the
not-
past.
No, never.
We're talking
I never
past
done
tense.
that.
Or it
In
never
real life.
happened. Okay, back to the question.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But back on not wanting to feel treated any different
No.
if you was fucking your boss. Because I feel like we all grown at the end of the day.
But see, me and him never fucked. We just only talked. And we were hanging out a lot. But even when I did see him, I always kept it like, we didn't fuck around like that. Because
Yeah.
I don't like people in my business.
Was he
That's just
single,
me.
Carol?
He was single.
Okay.
He was single. And he really, well, he was my boss, but he wasn't my direct manager, basically.
Right.
But he was still my manager. Like, he could
Yeah.
fire me if he wanted to.
How did
Like,
y'all
Ooh,
meet?
he could fire you?
How did y'all meet initially?
It's crazy because I think we met. He was initially working at a different location, and we kind of met through email. And then he ended up coming to visit that location, and then we just kind of started talking to him. And he smoked too. So sometimes we'll go smoke for lunch.
You could have called HR and demanded that.
Basically, different drugs.
Because
If she was a hoe ass nigga.
if he got me fired, I'm gonna get your ass fired. You
somebody
my
fired
face.
you?
Oh,
Ooh.
you live by the gun, die by the gun. You live by the gun, you die by the gun. Period.
Scary.
Snitch on me, bitch, I'm snitching on you.
Ooh.
You don't want the proudest, what was the prize?
Exactly.
You know what?
And on that note,
Next question.
And that was our first sticky situation. So, you gonna fuck with your boss, keep it on the low.
Definitely.
Because you never know, he probably fucking with other hoes.
Or he might
Okay?
be fucking a nigga based on
Right.
barbershop niggas.
These niggas can't be trusted either. So.
Yeah, I don't know what to do about these niggas, bro. I feel like nowadays you gotta, bitches, we need to have a meeting. Hold it.
I feel like every nigga walking this earth gay.
Bitches, if you watching this and you a bitch, listen to me, hoe. If you meet a nigga, bitch, test that nigga, bitch. Test him. Just try some gay shit on him. I don't care what it is. Just try some gay shit. If that nigga don't respond,
Flinch.
you know,
Do
what's up.
something, move.
Try some gay shit. If he respond, bitch, not bitch, don't play, but you
Yeah.
know, don't
Nah,
play.
nah,
I'm good.
Oh, all that, chill out.
Chill out. Chill
That's what
out.
you want. That's what we want. We want push me away.
If you don't get none of that and he scooting back,
If he chilling, laying there, relaxing,
doing this,
no,
you might have to quit.
nigga, bitch. And that's all I gotta say. Kelly, question.
Y'all smell the dick and balls. Get up in that ass and see if he's had a dick in there. That's what y'all need to be checking.
And
Start
when you
checking
fucking
these nigga
niggas-
asses.
When y'all
Check
doing
everything.
missionary,
Y'all listen to balls and smell the dick and shit. Nah, that shit played out, home.
Look how that nigga walk.
Flip them niggas around.
Fuck
Open
how
that
they walk.
ass up and
Niggas
see
is straight.
two cats, big
niggas
dick.
look
Check it.
Fuck how they
If that
walk.
nigga let you turn him around if you look at his ass, something's definitely wrong.
What if that nigga do a split?
And we know somebody who knows
What if
how
that
to
nigga hit the
do it.
split in your shit?
I know some hood niggas that
I know a little nigga who done hit the split in my motherfucking bedroom.
And that's for real.
And
He's not lying.
And this wanted to check your ass because she know what the fuck
He
she
should be offended.
He better be offended.
He a-
You gotta let me check because he don't know, bitch. You ain't got nothing to worry about with me.
She gonna get a
bitch.
gay nigga. Cause if he
No,
let you,
Exactly.
if he
That's
let
why
you
you do this.
bitch, and you let me get some gay niggas.
Okay.
That's a wrong response, ladies. Listen. If he's willing to show you
If
his
he's getting the
asshole,
splits, that's
If
the
you're
wrong
spreading
response.
cheeks.
Flex, and if he's willing to show you his asshole, baby,
Spreading
you
cheeks.
might want to
He
call
spread
him.
them cheeks.
He's bisexual. I'm sorry. You say you want to fuck
So
with
niggas who
one,
cool
but
with
you
that, hit up L.
But what if that
Alright,
be
what's your
good
answer?
though? What if that be good and y'all already went around?
What if he hit the splits after he broke you?
What if y'all already went
What if that's how he celebrated? That pussy so good.
Yeah.
Then he grew fat. Really? That doesn't make
That
me
might
happy.
turn me off.
I'm gonna tell y'all.
That might turn
I'm
me
gonna
off.
tell real nigga shit. He got spread.
It might turn me off just a little bit.
I'm gonna tell y'all
But I
something.
may still fucking
Exactly. You like a bisexual nigga? We like bisexual niggas. We all agree.
No, that's not what I'm saying. Bitch, you check inside asses.
Yeah, that ain't he better
I
not
really
really
fuck the nigga who's splitting it, nigga who bent over.
I fucked the nigga who did the split.
But did
I
you
fucked the
fuck
nigga
him?
who did the split, but that nigga did the split after.
But did you fuck him again after that split?
Be a honey.
Be honest. Then if you lie, it's not real. I'll just tell you. She did.
Fuck.
She did.
I rolled that dick like a soldier.
They hit the splits together.
Split the nigga.
We both were doing
It was splits.
I did the split. And then I did the split.
Y'all remember my episode of Delicious ASAP?
Right, and Ricky.
Splits.
So,
Okay. Oh my
yeah,
God.
I'm just saying, it's
Sticky
niggas out there.
situations.
It's niggas out there who do the splits. It's niggas out there who low key. Basically, I feel like I said, bitches. Niggas, if you watching this, get ready for your test. Bitches, please, I hope this video goes. But this particular one, I hope this hoe makes some noise.
This is a mess.
You
These
don't learn
hoes
nothing.
need to hear this message.
Learn.
Please, hoes, listen to me, hoes.
Listen to E, y'all.
Learn, hoe.
Try some gay shit on that nigga, bro. Be like, baby, can I see my finger in your booty hole? Or be like, I wonder if you can come out. I wonder if you can nut out getting your booty hole play with. If he got an answer to that shit,
I mean, that's
If
a man G-spot.
That is that G-spot though. That's a fact. That's not nothing made up. That's science. That is a fact. Just like they know a woman's that's a known fact.
okay.
Guess we'll never get there.
I'm sorry. Are y'all saying that to justify? I'm trying to see why y'all even mentioned that.
No, I was just saying.
Because you mentioned the finger in the ass.
Yes.
If people
I
bust a
understand.
nut. So she just wants to emphasize
I
that
understand.
it is
That's
that
cool with that.
G-spot.
That's your
I
G-spot.
understand that to be a fact. I'm gonna acknowledge that is a fact. I agree. I know, we're just talking. I know, we're just talking. Relax. Okay, so like I said, what was the point of y'all acknowledging that?
No point. We just
I just wanna know what y'all said.
Exactly, it doesn't matter. So if you ask that nigga, can you stick your finger in his ass? Or if you ask that nigga, does that make you nothing? He has an answer for it. Like, yeah, she. That should be a random.
I mean, but does it really make him gay if he wants
I can't just
Does he
put
want to
that
finger
on
in his
nobody.
ass?
Like, well, if somebody's married, that's what they be
Then
doing.
do what they do that. And he's never been with a man in his life. That's something him and his wife just do. You can't make that man gay because he do that with his wife.
Or like niggas who
I'm
like their
sorry.
ass ate by women. That does happen.
I can't make somebody
I'm
gay
not
because of
doing
what
it.
they enjoy sexually. I mean, I don't know. To each his own. Some niggas could be gay out there cheating, some couldn't. I'm just gonna put it out there like that. It could make some niggas gay and some niggas not.
That's true.
Me, I'm gonna assume. Assuming it's not always great, but I am gonna assume that you, sir, are bisexual. If you want your ass fondled with in any type of way, whether that be with your woman, whether that be a finger, a banana, a motherfucking grape, if you want your ass as a man fucked with any type of way. That would, and you like bitches too, I would assume that you're bisexual. I don't know any straight men who likes their ass touched in any kind of way. If you tell a straight man right now, you notice where your G-spot is. He gonna say, bitch, I don't give a fuck.
It's a straight man you feel me.
He's gonna say, bitch, I don't give a fuck.
It could be older men that like that. That just come with older age. I mean, it's just not for you, and it's okay.
I know it's okay. We're all supposed to give our opinion on
But
the
you
subject.
keep.
So that's how Erica. She was like anything with your ass.
If you're mad, you gay. I feel like
That's my opinion.
I feel like it could be 50-50. What you feel like?
I'm kind of the same way. Not saying I would do those things, but there are people I know that are married and they do shit like that with their husband.
Not saying I would do those things.
I'm not saying I would do it.
Why wouldn't you do it?
Yeah, I'm just
It's
not
not something
something
I'm not interested in. But I don't know what I would do
But
when I
if
get
it's your
married.
husband, yeah.
That's why I said I don't know.
But what
Currently,
if
right now,
but what
the
if
person-
your husband wanted you to do it?
I can't say that because I don't know. I'm not married.
But right now, with this
Currently,
person-
right now, as me being single, not married to a man, no, I probably wouldn't do it right now. But I'm
Why-
saying I don't
what's the
know.
reason you wouldn't do it right
Because
now?
that's not something I'm interested in. I've already said
Then
that.
why aren't you interested in it?
Because it's not something I would like to do. I
But
don't want to
what
eat no
makes
man's
you not
ass.
interested in it?
I don't want to lick no man's ass. I'm not saying he's gay. I'm not saying he's gay. That's
So
not what
if
I'm
he
saying.
asks you to eat his ass and you say no,
I'ma say no.
You don't keep talking to him.
I probably would keep. I'm not gonna automatically think he's gay because there are niggas out here who are married and who are in relationships. They women do that for them, and they like that.
I'm not gonna assume.
I'm not gonna assume he's gay.
I know. Okay, so
I'm not
But that's
gonna
my
do it.
opinion.
I'm not gonna do it, but I'm not gonna assume.
okay, so earlier, if y'all remember, we were talking about the guy who did the split.
Yeah.
Everybody was like, "Oh, he's gay. He's probably gay." Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
But now this nigga want his ass eaten. He's probably not gay.
Again, I can still feel that way about the ass. I can still feel that way about the
It's all
spit.
my opinion.
But that's
It's
our
definitely
opinion.
about opinion. It's definitely about opinion.
But I also said if the nigga did the split, I would probably still fuck him again.
Yep, it is.
But I didn't say that.
You did say that, but
Yeah.
you didn't say
I
that.
didn't say I said he might be, but I'm not gonna say he's automatically super
Yeah.
gay. Like
On
he's
that
super
one,
gay.
on that one, you were able to assume though.
I said he
But
might.
Yeah, that's okay. I said assume. He was just they were able to assume. But if you want his ass eaten, they can't assume on that.
Nah, I'm just not gonna assume anything. I don't care what it is.
How about that?
I'm not gonna assume.
Because the niggas who don't even like getting out of shit, then they still could be gay too. So it
Exactly.
don't matter.
A nigga could be hard with a bitch and act like a nigga could play dumb and act like he don't want it. It could be the main nigga taking
The
it.
nigga sucks.
So I can't say that. I can't, you know, because these niggas out
Unless
there,
you're doing a split.
I can't do that.
Anyways, so we're gonna move to the next
He doing the
topic.
splits for another nigga too, so to remember that when y'all hit him.
Exactly.
We all niggas remember that. We all still fuck the stick with the splits. He said, remember?
Exactly.
Oh, that's what he said.
And what about if you want your ass ate by a girl?
Left my ass out what he said. Oh! Oh, I just said that nigga killed the split.
No, yeah, I feel you. I feel right, baby. Won't run out.
Was the dick different after he got that hit the split? Was it still
It
good?
was still good. It was still good, big.
Did he have a hard time getting back up from the split? That's what I like to know.
No,
He got back up?
it was easy.
Did he do it like this? Or did he just, you know?
He split that
I
back.
was like,
Oh, and they got
oh, okay, the nigga way. I guess
And
that's
then,
that
like,
Okay.
and then push up on the bed, like.
Oh, it got up. Okay.
I have a question. Was it a cheerleaders or was it a James Brown?
What?
Was it a cheerleader split or the
Like
James Brown?
this? Or was it like,
You know the James Brown with the one leg? You know like the Chris Brown with
Yeah,
the James Brown?
I said he pulled his leg around, so he did the
So he did the James
split.
Brown split.
Whatever that shit called, he did a split.
you
James
know,
Brown.
think about it. Has Chris Brown did the split?
Chris Brown's a dancer though.
Yeah. Maybe the guy was a dancer.
He was not a dancer. Sorry, he wasn't.
Maybe he used to be back in the day.
He was not.
He's a cheerleader team.
Okay, well the fact that he was able to get back
He
up
was
with
not a
ease.
cheerleader.
The fact that he was able to get back up.
Cheerleader.
Could you date a nigga that was cheerleading for the Cowboys? nigga, then I'll probably go pass on the chili.
Well, if I'm chilling, but I make $1 million a year.
Yeah, ooh.
So then at that point, you just looking at the fun, the finance, the money part.
But what if you didn't ask him then?
Well, I mean, what if he didn't act like
Y'all know
that?
that's why it's called down low, right?
Because there's
You don't
guys.
always act feminine. You act straight.
There's guys who do women's hair. Does that make them gay?
You're right.
You know what? That's always been like a sticky one for me because
Could you date a man that's a hairdresser?
it would be so just.
A hood nigga, but he can give a fuck out some her.
And I don't. Well, we know a nigga.
And I know a hood nigga.
And
A
he
hood
did some
nigga.
hair.
Real the fuck out. But that nigga could do some hair.
Lace front.
I'm talking about everything, right?
Sew-ins.
Hood nigga like a bitch.
Cut.
I'm talking about like straight drop.
I don't know. That would be kind of like.
He's,
odd.
I don't know. He's the first nigga that we talking about. He's the first nigga that I've seen, and I was like, this nigga do
And how do
hair.
y'all know he's not gay?
We don't really know. Just like I don't know if anybody's not, but I don't know. He could be, but he
At this point, that profession doesn't make you gay.
He has
because you can do
though.
any type of profession and you be gay. Down low.
That's true. But like I said, he can do my
But I
hair.
don't know if I can fuck with a hairdresser.
You got a barber out here that's getting stuff like cut. A nigga profession that you would never think,
Never.
ever think. You have a barber out here getting sucked up. So at this point, I don't put nothing past you. Cheerleading barbers, lawyers, basketball players.
All them.
Look how many down low basketball players. All you niggas. No profession. You niggas is not sweet.
We know.
You're not
So
sweet.
it's enough for me.
It's what for the hairdresser? Which
Yes,
one?
hairdresser.
What was talking about?
Hairdresser.
Hairdresser. I don't know.
Okay, can Lou up in the air?
I'm gonna say I don't
Lou
know.
don't fuck with it. If she says she don't know,
I don't know. Because like El just said, those barbershop niggas made me look at the niggas in the barbershop differently. You would never think that you get your dick sucked at the barbershop.
Why would he record it? Like,
It was just
somebody was
crazy.
recording because there was 3 of them in there.
but it's like he knew he was being recorded.
Because he was doing all.
It was just too much,
Yeah,
y'all.
he knew what he
So we got one more question before we end the show tonight. I know we did kind of go in deep in our sticky situations. So I'm gonna let Errol or Erica do the last question. Make it good, E. Make it good.
Does body count matter?
And this is how we're going out.
Not your business.
Body count. How many niggas you fuck? How
How
many
many hoes
bitches
you done fuck? Just body count matters.
You know what?
Actually, I don't want to know.
It's 2019.
I don't give a fuck. Honestly, I don't care. I'm not gonna ask you that.
And on that note, I don't give a fuck.
I don't care. I'm with them. I don't give a fuck either. I don't care.
So does it matter if the niggas fucked 100 bitches versus 1,000 bitches?
I'll say this. It depends on what age you are. I
Right.
feel like if you young, you about 18, you should consider body count. You should look at, ask a nigga, okay, because, most people start fucking 15, 16 and up.
Yeah.
Right.
So if you about 18, 19, I can even go to 21.
Yeah.
If you want to care about that shit, I would say, okay, I get it. After that shit, bitch, I mean, honestly, and I ain't even trying to be on no whole shit. Who keeps up with that shit? Who sit down counting how
We
many
write this
people they fuck?
down. Okay, I remember. Was it?
I'm a real nigga, and I would say I don't know. I'm not gonna say 7,
I'm not gonna lie.
10. I don't know.
I'm not gonna lie. And
I don't know.
I don't care. I
don't
don't know, and I
matter.
honestly don't
I can
care.
tell you about a few good experiences.
Right. The ones that count.
Bad experiences.
The ones that did count.
Do you care about his number?
No, I don't care. Cause for one, we not even gonna have that conversation. Cause I don't even care to ask. Cause then it's gonna make me look. If you tell me 1,000 girls, I'm gonna be like 1,000 girls. That's probably gonna really turn me off. So
Why would it turn you off?
I don't know. I guess just the fact that the number is 1,000, and I know. That's just me though.
But
It may
keep in
turn me off a little
consideration
bit.
that you don't even probably remember your number.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying for me, I'm not even keeping that in consideration. That's just how I feel. I mean,
The idea.
If I didn't know it before, it may not make me feel the same way.
But even if you didn't have anything,
even if you didn't have anything, but it may just
no kids.
It may just turn me off slightly. I'm not saying I'm not going to talk to him anymore, but it just may turn me off. Like a damn 1,000 girls, it just made me think like this.
Like you a nympho.
What somebody came to you and said he fucked 5,000 girls.
Make it 5,001.
I'm like, damn, 5,000.
Make it 5,001 and we gonna leave it at that. You never gonna get no more pussy in your life. That number gonna be cut out. I don't know. Body count does not matter to me. I'm good. I don't give a fuck. You ain't gotta tell me. If you wanna tell me, I still don't give a fuck. It's really gonna be one way. I'm not asking. If you wanna disclose that information, that's on you. But shit, I don't give a fuck. And if you ask me, I'm not ashamed. I don't know. And I don't care to know.
I'm not about to sit up and count that shit. That's why I said, don't tell me, because I don't want to know. I don't care about
And I
that
fucking
shit.
feel like niggas be saying 1,000 be lying. So like, how do you know
It was
it's 1,000?
10.
Like, how do you know? Like, have you sat up there and counted every bitch you fuck, every bitch in your whole
But they don't even know their names.
Exactly.
They don't.
So it's like, are you just saying an average? Like, how do you know it's in
That's just
there?
like Blueface saying he fucked 1,000 bitches in 6 months. In 6 months, 1,000. He was saying he was having like 4 or 5. So
Name.
Blueface.
they say Will Chamberlain fucked over 1,000 hoes.
I mean, but
He's a basketball player. That's
he might have. But Blueface, sit down.
He said he fucked the red.
I'm
He
done.
fucking red.
He said he fucked the red.
Everybody been fucking red.
Even the basketball players do.
Even
Well,
how.
look at what you call Brandy Maxine husband. Remember he comes there so many years
Oh,
ago,
yeah.
how many bitches he done fucked?
Was it? Was it
Right,
a
get married.
thousand?
So many.
It was like a
It was like
thousand.
1,000. Yeah, it was like 1,000 bitches.
While they were married.
While they married though.
Crazy.
With y'all.
Hell no.
But they still together. It's been 15 some years.
To
plus.
each
Are
is-
y'all gonna stay?
Teachers on
Me
that
currently now? No.
He ain't gonna stop.
Would you stay?
Me, right now, this mindset, no. I wouldn't.
Hell
And I would have
no.
probably left after the second bitch.
Cause it makes me think you
know
got
what y'all
problems.
nigga cheat. He ain't have to tell you.
Right.
You probably didn't know that many numbers, but he been cheating on you.
1,000 girls.
And she knew he was cheating. She just didn't know how many. He
Yeah,
lied to
that's
her a long time ago. It was a different number, like 100 or something. Couldn't find out. It's been like 1,000.
And you
Some
just
niggas are really
fucking.
addicted to pussy.
Some dudes are addicted
No,
to
for real,
sex.
for real.
Just like drugs, food, it's an addiction.
Look at what was Holly Berry, Eric Benet? He was addicted to sex. He was a nympho.
He's an info.
He was a nympho.
And she couldn't keep up.
She couldn't keep going. It's too much.
I can keep up.
Eric liked the butt.
Rock the
I
chocolate.
can keep up them first.
Around me.
Them first 2 weeks, I'm with you. But after that third, fourth week,
What you doing?
I'm gonna go down to about 4 days a week.
Oh.
No, he wanted like 7 days. And
No.
twice.
That's what happens when you get too comfortable.
I'm sorry.
Lazy.
When you in, everybody know, when you get in a relationship, you do not be wanting to fuck like that anyway. 4 days a week, I think it's a good amount.
I mean, if we don't see each other like that, then cool. I'm sure we're not gonna see each other like that in the beginning anyway.
Right.
But I'm sure the more we do get to see each other, the more we want to fuck. So I don't know how that's gonna play out.
I don't know how we would have some days where we just enjoy
Yeah.
each other.
I'm with Erica. I say 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
I mean,
4 or 5 days if I see you that many times.
Right.
We don't live together then yet.
right, that's
I'm
different.
gonna wanna fuck you when I see you, especially if it's only 2 or 3 days a week.
Maybe it might be twice in one day.
Right.
Who knows? In the
Ooh.
morning, after work, shower, I don't know.
You're right. It all depends. I don't know.
And if it's like that, I may not need 4 or 5 days. We didn't have sex 3 times
Some
today.
girls, I just want to fuck all the time. Some guys, you be like that with.
That is true. Guys you like.
Like you like. Some you
Like.
can go fucking 2 or 3 times. It's so I can fuck every moment of the day.
Yeah.
I think this song is kind of getting us in the mood.
I'm gonna go ahead and skip.
I think we're going to go ahead and
We're gonna end it.
So tuning in tonight. Make sure you follow us on Instagram.
Who wants a shirt?
DM us if you want a shirt.
Who wants a shirt?
Also, the episode will be uploaded in the morning, so you
Who
can
wants a shirt?
watch the episode tomorrow if you missed it. Make sure you share with your friends. So we're going to end the show with our Ratchet song, like we always do. And if you were early 2000s, baby, you already know what this is.
Get a little pumps in the